Hi guys, this is Sniffy. I just started eating this today myself. I bought them at Costco. It was about $47. The only thing that's not in here is, I don't know how to really pronounce it. I think it's quinoa. Q-U-I-N-O-A. That's the only one that I didn't give Sniffy. I wasn't sure if he could eat it without being cooked. But the other three items I bought was flaxseed, chia seed, and HEMP-HEARTS. I started a new kind of diet. I'm not on a diet, but I tried some different food that would be a lot healthier. I'm just making some lifestyle changes. I'm not losing weight or anything. I'm just, and because everyone says it's really good, but I've always thought they looked way too healthy. I kind of steer clear of things that look like crazy people food, the ones where the health nuts are eating it. But I tried it, and I mixed it with Silhouette yogurt, Greek yogurt, and it was really good. Because these are all natural items, I decided to give it to Sniffy. Look at Sniffy go. It smells really nice. Obviously, I'm not going to feed this to him every single day. I'm just going to leave it there, probably give it to him like maybe once or twice a month. There's approximately half a teaspoon of each. So if it makes me healthy, I'm pretty certain that it's going to be good for hamsters too. It's not that bad, the calorie-wise, so that's why I'm giving it to him. I want him to live a long time. After all, once I moved back home, my parents actually don't want me having hamsters anymore. So this is only going to be my last one, most likely. Unless I can convince them to let me get another one. So, really taking care of his health, I think, would be best. I mean, not that I wouldn't do it anyhow, but I thought this would be really good for him. It must smell so nice, because it smells very nutty, the flaxseed. So it must be very appetizing. Hi, Poo-Poo. There. There you go. I don't have to stand in it. Oh, you want to climb in? Are you done? Some Cheerios. I don't know. Can you fit that in there? You washing your face? You're washing your face. Oh. Oh, are you done? Alright. That's it, guys. I believe... Oh, I don't know. Hold on. Let me just look. It's Friday, June the 21st. Okay, guys? It's now 2:44 in the afternoon.